Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. And here we are today, and me and my friends, we are going out on Sunday and they are telling you hi and welcoming you to my channel to watch this vlog. So here are my friends, and as it is Sunday evening and we are again going outside to a new place. So let's see, where are we going today? So come along with us, join us for the ride. We are taking you in the town city of Jamnagar to a place where we will hang out today. So let me tell you where we are going. Yes, today we are going to drink Kawa. Have you heard it? Yes, this is a winter special drink which is made, and it is very popular and people especially go out at nights and drink it. It's already sold on the streets all the time of the season, but I think it is more popular during the winters. It is said that it is good for health and it keeps the cold away. So let's go and check it out. So Kawa is a local drink that is made out of hot boiling water, and they add all the spices, some turmeric, ginger and black salt, all these things, and yes, of course the lemon, and then it is served hot. So come join with us, we'll take you around. Also friends, you have been watching my vlogs, so if you are new subscriber, please subscribe, like, comment and share my channel, and also leave your views or comment about what you feel about my vlogs. So if you are enjoying them, please leave a comment, so it will help me to encourage and make new vlogs. So I'll be bringing up new vlogs more again and again with you. So here you can take a view of the Lakota Lake Palace, which is located in the city of Jamnagar. It looks very colorful at night, and just take a view of it. So we are going around a local Kawa shop which is near the Lakota Lake, and we are going to drink Kawa. Yes. Tell me. These people are alone. As a lot of people drink a lot of kava, you can see that he is also packing it in a polythene bag. So he adds some ginger and salt to the kava and lemon, and it's so hot. So friends, after drinking the kava, we are returning back home. So friends, did you like my vlog? So if you like my vlog, please subscribe, like, share and comment. And yes, please share your views about the food, drink and everything that you do around your city. And thanks for the subscribes, likes and watch. And stay tuned, be safe and enjoy your life and take all the necessary safety precautions and be safe. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. So friends, please subscribe, like, share and follow me on my Instagram and